LumaFusion versus CapCut. Which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without complicated software. LumaFusion offers advanced editing, while CapCut focuses on easy, fast mobile editing. LumaFusion and CapCut are popular video editing apps but serve different needs. LumaFusion is a professional-grade editor for iOS, while CapCut is a versatile, user-friendly app available on multiple platforms. The core difference lies in power versus simplicity. LumaFusion is a powerful multi-track video editor designed primarily for iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. It offers a professional editing experience with features such as 6 video and audio tracks, advanced color correction, keyframing, and support for 4K resolution. The app works by letting users import clips, arrange them on a timeline, and apply precise edits with a range of tools. Its strengths include robust audio editing, a magnetic timeline for smooth trimming, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. However, LumaFusion is limited to Apple devices, and its advanced features come with a steeper learning curve compared to simpler editors. It's ideal for content creators, filmmakers, and professionals seeking a mobile editing solution that rivals desktop software without sacrificing depth or control. CapCut is a free, easy-to-use video editor available on both iOS and Android platforms, designed for quick and creative mobile editing. It works by providing a simple interface where users can trim clips, add effects, transitions, music, and text with minimal effort. CapCut stands out for its wide range of trendy filters, stickers, and AI-powered effects that appeal to social media creators. Its strengths include fast rendering, cloud sync, and a vast library of royalty-free music. On the downside, CapCut lacks advanced editing tools like multi-track timelines or detailed color grading, which limits its use for professional projects. It's best suited for casual users, influencers, and beginners who want to produce engaging videos quickly without the complexity of professional software. Comparing LumaFusion and CapCut reveals clear trade-offs. LumaFusion excels in professional features like multi-track editing, advanced color correction, and fine audio control, making it ideal for detailed projects on Apple devices. In contrast, CapCut prioritizes ease of use and creative effects, perfect for fast social media content creation across platforms. If you need precision and depth, LumaFusion is the better choice, but it requires time to master. CapCut offers speed and trendy features, but lacks the advanced tools for complex editing. For example, a filmmaker editing a short film would prefer LumaFusion, while a TikTok creator producing daily clips would benefit more from CapCut's simplicity and effects. Choose LumaFusion if you want professional-grade editing on iOS with advanced tools and precise control for high-quality video projects. CapCut is the best option for quick, creative video edits on mobile devices with easy-to-use features and trendy effects. Pick CapCut if you prioritize speed and simplicity for social media content, while LumaFusion suits those needing professional editing depth.